Chris Nicasio or Nicasio from Hataw. Okay po, there you go. Sige po, ma. Okay, we are gonna be bringing the microphone to you. Okay, there po.
Good afternoon, so surprise ito. Anyway, Miss Maxine. Tanong ko lang, ano itong DM na to? Parang fan ka na dun sa dati mong ginagawa. Yun ba yun?
Okay, so once again, DM Studios, it's a live selling agency, so live commerce platform wherein we help brands, audiences, and of course celebrities, influencers also. So we connect them to brands as well, and we do mount their lives. So we convert, so there's a conversion, syempre, so there's fast selling results also. So basically, yung kaibahan niya is before, brands get me to live sell their products. Now, I am already the agency. So, I'm also a live seller at the same time. I also do mount for the brands. So, I connect them to celebrities and influencers. Thank you po.
Alright, next question po from Saksi. Is Ethel Genuino present po? From Saksi or any member po from Saksi team?
Question ko lang, no, since kayo ang kayo na yung tutulong mag-ano ng sa brand, meron siyang fee? May certain fee?
Yes, there is. But also we do have also contracts from different platforms as well. So they get us to do the lives for different brands. But sometimes brands can also go directly to us so we can help them for their live selling.
Okay, yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, up next po, who wants to ask a question? Okay, from Abante Tonight.
Congratulations, ito sa bagong endeavor niyo. Aside from dun sa influencers na nakita namin, pinag-assist kanina, sino pa yung mga mga influencers na nagpakita ng interest na to join your host, mga sa agency, sa live selling? Sila dyan, Marini, nakita ko, di ba?
Yes. After this press conference, we're going to have our launch later tonight. So we invited all the celebrities who are very interested to join our agency and for them also to try live selling. So River Cruz is interested, Julian San Jose as well. Who else? Tuesday Vargas, Carla Beliana also. Other influencers like Simon, who else? EA De Guzman will be here as well, sila Shira Diaz, all of our friends would also like to try. We're very much open to help them. Sila Kuya Paula Ravales will also go, sila Pancho Magno, Zeus Collins, sila Dasari Choi, halos mga friends din namin from the industry.
Ganda answer. Ang tanong ko kasi, would it be exciting also na magkaroon kayo ng Founders Night na kung minsan na image kayo naman yung magla-live sell? Kasi kapon din yan sa mga followers ko, di ba? Founders Night.
Actually, nagka-live sell na ako since last year pa. And nung first ko, actually, to be honest, medyo naano ako kasi it's a new world for me. And watching Diana, it's sobrang ang galing niya. And na-witness niyo naman yun na nakaka-reach siya talaga ng sobrang daming audience and trust. So, ako naman, as a live commerce now, sobrang I've seen how powerful connection is, especially with your fans, with your audience. It's a new experience for everybody. Hindi lang sa showbiz side, pero of course to connect with other people, like iba't ibang sa business. Alam niyo yun, kapag nagiging authentic ka kasi in front of live, you get connection and then it converts.
Mga once in a while. Kayo, Jennifer.
Hi guys, thank you Thank you so much for coming. Sobrang na-appreciate namin kayo. Ako naman, nag-start ako, siguro mag-1 year na rin ako. Bago pa lang din ako sa live selling and I'm still learning. Pero syempre, nakita ko kasi yung wife ko nung pandemic pa lang. Siya talaga yung nag-start nito. So, 3 pa lang sila noon. Tapos si Dean, hard work talaga kasi syempre, kailangan talaga makapag-connect ka sa viewers mo para ma-attract mo sila and makuha mo yung trust nila. So hindi talaga siya easy work din na mag-live sell ka kasi mga 3 hours kasi sinasabi na iba nakaupo lang. Pero hindi kasi kailangan inaaral na rin yung product nyo. Dahil syempre yung live commerce, gusto mo ma-experience nung audience para bakit ko bibilin to? Bakit ko kailangan to? So yun ang maganda sa DM Studios. Tinitrain din natin yung mga host natin, yung mga nag-live sell. At ang maganda sa DM Studios, isang family kami doon. So, hindi lahat perfect. Lahat kami natutulungan at sabay-sabay kami natututo. Yan.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd also like to answer the question of Miss Kate, which was cut off earlier. I started live selling year 2020 actually. So it was during the pandemic. I was pregnant with Joaquin. So many moms were actually messaging me on Instagram asking me to help them sell their products. So sabi ko, ano bang gagawin ko dito? So I met them online, I gathered them, and I sold their products online. So surprisingly, ang laki ng kinita ko without shelling capital. So from then on, doon ko na-realize, oh, I can actually do this. I can actually do this online shopping or online live selling. So doon nag-start. But the opportunity came year 2023. So different platforms opened such as TikTok and Shopee. So from there, dun ako nag-start natuto mag-live sell. So live commerce kasi ngayon, very na talaga, nag-evolve na rin yung industry na yan. So many people are also exploring live commerce kasi mas entertaining siya and mas engaging as compared to e-commerce platforms. So many people are really buying in live commerce. So we can also see that live commerce can actually increase rate conversion of up to 10% when it comes to live commerce platform as compared to e-commerce. So right now, according to studies, 70% of consumers actually prefers buying through live commerce instead of e-commerce because they want real-time engagement, they want interaction, and they want product demonstration. So they actually buy it. Mas nagiging potential yung viewer na maging buyer if they can actually see the product demonstrated in front of them or through the screen rather.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Diane. Follow up lang. What do you enjoy the most about live selling? And ano yung mga products na hindi mo in-expect na, ay, kaya ko palang ibenta sa live selling?
Well, as you all know, I'm also an events host. For those of you who doesn't know my background, so I do hosting. I love hosting a lot. I'm also still a news anchor and segment reporter from PTV4. So what I love the most about live selling is that it's parang not far from yung ginagawa ko na talaga. So parang I'm also hosting at the same time, interacting to different people from different walks of life. And ang sarap lang makipag-engage na nagbebenta ka, you're actually helping them. You're giving them good deals, discounts, and promos. So our advocacy and our vision here is not just to sell, but again, help brands grow and thrive in this industry. And of course, help our audience get good deals and discounts and promos through your live selling. What product na nagulat ako na kaya ko palang bumenta? Siguro phones. Because I am being categorized as a mom. So usually, brands who will get me are mga mom and baby brands, milk brands. So nagulat ako na kaya ko pala mag-electronic brands. Kasi before na masyado na akong nagla-live for home appliances, beauty, cosmetics. So first time ko electronics and it was a success. I actually got 25 million pesos total GMV sales. So GMV is gross merchandise value. So that's the total sales of my live during the 3-3, which was just last March 3. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Archie Liao. May pagtatanong naman.
Hello.
Ikaw ulit. May follow-up question ng editor ng Hataw, si Miss Marie Chris.
Ito Donat, kasi before, Dayan, ikaw yung pinag-live selling na certain products, di ba? Ngayon, ikaw na yung nag-i-invite sa kanila para mag-live selling for your studios. Ano yung nakukuha nung, kunwari ako, I have my own products na tutulungan mo akong i-live selling yung produkto ko, ano yung makukuha mo sa akin, and at the same time, yung vice versa, nakukuha sa'yo?
In terms of, we're talking about business or in
percentage
terms of
business.
benefits?
Benefits. And
Okay, so just to clear, I'm still live selling. So I'm also the agency, and at the same time, I still do live selling for different brands. So in terms of benefits, number one, we give them product exposure and product awareness. But in terms of commission and percentage, of course, there will be talent fee plus commission for the agency and for the celebrities and influencers who does live selling.
Hello.
Ikaw muna. Go.
Nila Bulletin. Ano qualities of a good seller?
Yes, of course, that's part of the characteristics that and qualifications that we're actually looking for. But of course, number one would be authenticity. We need you to be authentic because nowadays, all of our viewers and audiences, they're very smart. They know if you're just doing this just for the sake of selling the product or just by, being so much hard sell or sobrang hard sell mo. So we need authentic, someone who's very authentic and genuine, and someone who's very honest. Because in live selling, we don't just sell products just to generate income. We sell products because we truly believe in the product. And your viewers can actually get that from you, and it will reflect to your viewers. That's why authenticity is really the key, consistency. And again, live selling is not easy. It entails a lot of sacrifice, effort, commitment, and dedication. And you need a whole production team to be able to mount that live and to be able to have a successful live. Like what I said earlier, during the 3-3 live, we actually had a total of 25 million peso sales. So to be able to do that, grabe po yung sakripisyo na gagawin ng team. So our live hosts also, the one we hired as well, they're all professionally trained as hosts and on how to also on also how to demonstrate the products and relay the product information really well to the audience.
So hindi pwede ang introvert dito sa
Hindi talaga because siguro naman we can train them. But of course, here it has to be entertaining and engaging. I believe, Rojun, would you like to share your experience on how important it is that you need to be engaging? Yung husband ko, nagsasayaw na sa live, even Maxine. Kasi that's how you get viewers and engagement. Hindi pwedeng parang nanonood lang sila. You need to be creative. Every live, all of our team, we strategize. We always have a plan. And we always meet. Nagmi-meeting kami. Ano bang gagawin natin for this live? Because we also set a target or quota every live. And we need to hit that target. And to be able to hit that, you need to strategize. Roger, would you like to share?
Roger, yes.
Actually, hindi talaga siya biro. Hard work talaga siya. Kasi isipin nyo, 3 hours yun eh. Siyempre sa industry natin, kunyari meron tayong hosting, meron tayong performance, tapos na yan in 3 minutes, tapos na yan in 15 minutes. Pero dito, kailangan mo talaga maging consistent. And siyempre, live po tayo, kailangan din natin maging alert. So wala tayong kailangan sabihin ng mga bad words, ganyan. And nagtutulungan po kami. Hindi siya biro kasi ako, syempre kailangan natin i-entertain yung viewers natin. Yung mga viewers kasi natin, na-attract natin, yun ay yung mga magiging loyal customers natin. So syempre kailangan ma-build mo yung trust nila. Bakit nila kailangan bilhin to? And syempre pag may mga products, kailangan din ma-explain nyo, maipakita nyo para ma-experience nila. So yun, so lahat ginagawa namin doon. Sumasayaw kami, kumakanta, nagkukwentuhan. Kasi gusto rin namin ma-feel yung authenticity natin, maging authentic, tsaka para kayong nasa bahay lang na kinakausap mo yung mga viewers mo.
Sa akin naman, people buy from the people they trust. So, na-realize ko as as a live commerce, as a live seller, nakailan na ako, and eventually natututunan ko na siya kung paano din. Kasi it's entertainment is still there. Authentic, be energetic. And of course, kailangan engaging ka sa mga tao. Ang dami naming questions, yung mga nagko-comment doon, ang daming mga questions doon. And it's fun to answer. Siyempre, be honest, the transparency yung sa kanila, nakaka-entertain sa kanila. So, ayun, nakakatuwa lang din na may nakakausap ka from there while working, and at the same time, na-enjoy mo din yung ginagawa mo.
Okay, last question. Last few weeks ago, usap namin si Kiray. And she's now live selling lingerie. Talagang,
Microphone.
hindi na muna siya
Testing.
inamin niya na hindi muna siya mag-showcase because ang laki na nakita niya sa live setting. At nakabili na siya ng 2 kotse, no? Isang van for her, tsaka sa mami niya. Kayo, what can you share na pwede yung sabihin na regalo niyo sa sarili mo for being a big live seller?
Siguro it's really more of we're going back to our core, our purpose. Why are we doing this? Our objective. Pinakaregalo namin is to help other people and to be able to share that blessings to others. Because God gave us these talents and binigay niya tong opportunity na to in this DM Studios business, and we lift this up to our Lord Jesus Christ. All glory and honor to Him. So we're just giving back also to our friends from the industry, to our celebrity friends, influencers, and we help them earn extra income and passive income as well. And at the same time, we're able to help brands also grow and thrive through live selling. That's why our tagline is DM Studios, where we empower brands through live selling. So this is the gift. Ito yung mapagmamalaki namin that we're able, to share this God-given talent to others, and we're able to share and touch lives, di ba? Na nakakatulong kami sa kanila. So yun yung mapagmamalaki ko talaga na nabigay sa amin na regalo. At yun din yung regalong na i-share namin pabalik.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Up next, who wants to ask question?
Natalie from Philippine Star. My question is for Diane.
Hello po.
Ano ba yung kwento talaga? What made you decide na parang kailangan mong mag-book up ng live selling agency?
Okay. It all started kasi with a dream and vision. Really talaga, my advocacy and vision talaga is to be able to help others also who wants to thrive in the live selling industry. Because when I started live selling, so many friends from the industry were actually asking me, Diane, I wanted to do this, I wanted to try, but I don't know how to connect them to brands. So it was just year 2025 when I decided the same team that you will meet later on. I'm not sure if they can come here in a press conference, but on the launching, they will go later. Sila rin po yung same team na kasama ko na po during day 1. So kami po yung nagsama-sama, and we share the same vision din dito sa industry na to. So it's really more, I guess, helping, more partnerships and collaborations, and again, helping brands also thrive and grow in the business. And ako at the same time, I'm really enjoying what I'm doing. Lalo na pagdating sa live selling, and I take my job seriously. If you know me, I juggle so much work. I try as much as possible to try different works also, events hosting, TV acting. I also, of course, news din sa PTV. So ngayon naman sa live selling. So I just explore and I just, make the most out of it. Kung anong blessing ni Lord na binigay, I make sure also to make sure that I use that to glorify Him by also sharing this talent and helping others also. Kasi gusto kong mag-reflect din yung values, di ba, sa iba na makatulong ka din, pati sa brands. So this isn't just, live selling. It's deeper pa talaga yung vision.
Okay, is this gonna be your, parang main, passion or main business?
Business, yes. Hopefully, this will be a long term. Because we don't know kasi di ba in and out naman yung trends. So ako, we just focus, we just work really hard, and we make sure yung kaming team, we're very focused on one goal. Habang binibigay pa ni Lord, we just keep on working really hard. And syempre, it's a never-ending learning process. So we're just gonna learn so many lessons pa all throughout or along the way. So kami naman, we just work hard, dire-diretso lang hanggang nandito pa na may live selling pa rin. Because we don't know, kasi different po yung trends ngayon eh. Sometimes come and go.
You mentioned yung income last March. Would you say that you are earning more from here, live selling, than from showbiz?
Yes. So much. Wait. So much.
So, pati daw si Rojo, nag-agree ka yata.
Parang sumama na rin siya.
Hindi, actually, kagaya nga sinabi ko, naniniwala ako sa vision ng wife ko, syempre si Dayan. Asawa ko yan so I will support her all the way. And nandito nga po tayo to help brands, and syempre makakatulong din tayo sa ating mga creators, sa ating partners. And at the same time, na-enjoy ko din po kasi nakakatrabaho na tayo, nakakatulong po tayo sa mga tao. Ngayon po kasi ang ginagawa ko, syempre, talagang double time ako. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung mga project natin sa showbiz. Meron po akong gagawin na Firewall. Yes, yung teleserye. So yun yung tama yung sinasabi ni Dan, lahat ng glory kay Lord talaga. So lahat ng ginagawa namin ni Dan, pinagdadasal namin kasi lahat naman ng talent na meron tayo galing kay Lord. So yun po, love ko po rin kasi talaga yung show business. Talagang love ko sumayaw, umarte, kumanta. Ngayon kasi, ang maganda sa live commerce, meron tayong viewers. Umaabot tayo sa buong mundo, nakakausap mo sila. Kasi minsan habang nagla-live sell ka, nakakatuwa naman, hello, Rojun, fan mo ako from ganyan. Hi, Rojun from Visayas, Mindanao, Luzon. So nakaka-connect tayo sa kanila, nakakapagpasaya din tayo ng madaming tao. Thank you.
Last na lang question, friend. Teka lang, G. Kamusta naman yung working as a, family, family as a, hindi kasi kasi bihira lang kasi yung si family members in a business. Parang you don't work with family members. Yun nga yung advice ng maraming businessmen. So, why did you decide to work on this as a family? Ano pong advantage na? Thank you.
I guess advantage would be we know each other really well, and alam na rin namin yung foundation ng business because we've been live selling for 2 years na rin. 3 years ako, pero sila recently. Pero I guess yung dynamics kasi namin, gusto ko yung we share the same values and goals and vision also pagdating sa DM Studio. So hindi na ako nagdalawang isip, of course, to tap my family members and the team na kasama ko since day one. So kami rin po yung magkakasama dito. So pare-pareho naman tayo ng goal. We're all hardworking. Kasi sabi ko nga, live selling isn't easy. Talagang entails a lot of sacrifice. Promise, iba po yung nakikita nyo sa video compared dun sa behind the scenes. Talagang grabe po talaga to be able to mount a live selling and of course to be able to reach certain quota or target. Lalo na yung 1 million palang napakahirap i-reach niyan. And to be able to do that takes a lot of effort. And ako, laki ng tiwala ko, ng trust ko sa team and sa 2 partners ko. And I guess sa iba siguro, doesn't work for them. But for us, nagkakasundo yung dynamics namin tatlo. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm G. Trilliana from Malaya Business Insight. Si Miss Diane, has it always been, congratulations sa DM Studios, has it always been your dream to be a CEO?
Yes, of course. But I was actually dreaming of becoming a CEO of my own brand. Products talaga before. So I never imagined that one day I'm going to open up my own agency. So it's just recently lang that that vision and dream turned reality. So I'm very happy that you're all here to support us. So it's our day 1. So I hope we will get all the love and support from everybody and from all the media friends. So yeah, dati iba yung pangarap ko, but I guess iba yung will and plan ni Lord for us.
you mentioned before that you sold you sold products when you were in high school, right?
Yes.
You shared. I'd like to ask Maxine and Rojun, kung kayo ba before, meron din kayong ganon? Like, meron kayong entrepreneurial drive or spirit when you were much younger? Can you recall kung meron kayong, tapos ano ba yung naramdaman yung pinilit to kayo and what age were you there?
Sa akin, sa akin wala po, pero nung bata ako, lagi ako nag-iipon. Pag binibigyan ako ng baon, hindi ko po ginagastos lahat kasi gusto ko makaipon. Tapos may nag-aalaga sa akin nun si Manang Kunching. Natuwa ako nun kasi nakaipon ako ng 10,000 kasi hindi ko lahat inuubos yung baon ko. Para nagtitipid ako, tapos nilalagay ko po sa alkansya kay Manang Kunching. Tapos, yun nga, binuksan ni Manang Kunching naka 10,000 na tayo. So, natuwa ako na, ganun pala yun. So, kailangan mag-save up ka. Tapos, nung nakuha ko na yung 10,000 na yun, ang ginawa ko doon, nililibre ko yung mga classmates ko. So, doon ko nakita na kapag nag-share ka din, grabe yung blessings na binabalik sa'yo ni Lord. So, balance lang din.
Ako naman po, mga bata pa lang kasi kami, every summer, parang na-train kami na earn for what you want. So, every summer, nasa labas kami ng kuya ko, actually, umaakit kami ng puno to get some mangoes. Oo, true! Kasi wala sila mommy working, so kami, nag-explore kami sa garden, and then meron kaming puno ng mangga. Kinukuha namin yon, and then every hapon, binibenta namin piso isa. So every earning, nakakabili kami ng toy namin, nakakabili kami ng gusto namin. So yon, but nung nasa STC naman kami, kasi uso dati, di ba, paglabas mo ng school, may mga beads, yung parang nylon, naalala mo yun. Gumagawa kami ng mga bracelets, necklace, and then sinisell ko sa mga classmates ko.
So, meron talaga, bata pa lang business.
I'd also like to share, no, because most of you are also asking about our vision and purpose. Why are we doing live selling? I forgot to tell you this story. So I did a campaign for TikTok. It's called Buy Local, Shop Local, wherein we help the farmers. So I went personally to Nueva Ecija, sat down with the farmers there. They're actually selling rice o bigas na sila po nag-aani. So TikTok Philippines tapped me to live sell their products, and I was able to sell 2.4 million pesos worth of rice. So imagine that huge help that could give our farmers. It would uplift also, diba? It would uplift their lives. And parang it's really more of supporting local brands as well and helping them thrive in the business. So you're giving them opportunity. Lalo na yung mga small businesses. You're giving them opportunity because of course you're exposing them during your live selling, and of course you get celebrities and influencers who already has a name in the business who will actually hold their products. So in that way, it's really a great help for them. So parang hindi ko lang na-share kanina, that's also our way on how to give back, and also that's our vision also to not just live sell but also to support that advocacy and legacy to help other people also and support local businesses.
Have you gotten in touch with them, or do you plan to continue that campaign?
I hope so. Sana tuloy-tuloy na maraming campaigns na gawin yung mga different platforms. But yes, buy local, shop local campaigns of TikTok naman are continuous. So, and even Shopee, they also have parang campaigns also. They do projects and programs which actually can help yung mga audience natin, lalo na yung mga masa.
You mentioned kanina that you manage influencers. Right now, do you have a number? How many influencers do you have in your stable?
Okay, I'm just going to ask our head. How many creators and celebrities are under DM as of now? Yeah, because we just started, so we have total of 15, and we have like 50 applicants and inquiries. But then again, we cannot get all of them instantly and right away because the new rule, yung bagong rule na po ngayon, we have this called incubation period. The platform still needs to check if they can really sell. So it will talagang parang i-check po din yung GMV nila, yung total sales nila, before they give contract.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. G. Susunod tatanong, eto Dayan, ang editor ng Manila Standard at presidente, Manila Times rather, at ang magandang presidente ng Speed, Talbog.
Hello, good afternoon. Congratulations to all of you. Diana, I just wanted to pick up from the last press conference that we had. You had a message to mothers that they can also do what you do, diba? At that time, that was your message. But now that you've put up a studio, what is your message to mothers now? Kasi they relate to you so much, diba?
Siguro, it's really more of you just keep doing what you love and make sure if you have business, just keep on pushing on your business dreams and goals in life. Sometimes it's really tiring because I've said earlier, it requires a lot of sacrifice. So if you're tired, you just need to take a pause or break but never give up on your business dreams and goals in life. So yun talaga. And again, I'm encouraging them also to explore live commerce because anyone naman can actually do live selling it. So you just need the right tools, right information to be able, to set up your own live selling. So I encourage them, if they want passive income or extra earning, they can do live commerce as well because live commerce is really the fast-selling digital commerce globally.
But as you said, it's not as simple as it is anymore,
Yes.
no? But can, moms who just have, parang small products, can they actually seek your, not support, but actually, sign up with your studio? Would that be very expensive for them?
I would honestly say yes. So I would rather recommend doing an alternative of affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you affiliate certain products, for example, on TikTok or on Shopee, you just take a video of the products. Actually, my PA, Annie here, she also does affiliate marketing. Tinuruan ko lahat sila and they're earning. So you don't need to shell out a lot of capital or money. You just need to take videos of the products, put a link, and it's a shared or split commission already. So the the affiliate marketing, so meron kang brand at saka yung mismong nag-affiliate, split commission na po sila. So you don't need to shell out money. You just need to post the product. Tapos kikita na po kayo. So siguro yun po yung marirecommend ko muna. But if they want to start up their own live selling, they can start with their accounts. But as much as the agency is concerned, siguro this
Big
is
brands
for
pa lang
influencers. Yes, big brands po.
Big brands pa lang muna. But have you ever thought of also doing consultancy siguro?
Yes,
no?
of course. I actually help a lot
Okay.
of brands, lalo na yung mga startup and small businesses. When they inquire, I actually tell them, not to do this aggressively muna para you're able to ROI your money, something like that. So, I teach them naman. I'm very generous naman on that part.
And so yung mga, if you call it productions na siguro of your studio, so we will see them in different, I suppose, stores. Anong tawag doon? Parang, kunyari, you're doing this for a certain brand, we'll see that on their page. Parang ganon, diba?
Yes.
Oo.
We'll see, the live selling.
Like your live selling, it happens on their page.
No,
but produced by you?
we do have our own accounts. So, per artist, celebrity, and influencer, you have your own either TikTok or Shopee account, and we do the live there. We mount the live there.
So kahit na if different brands, it will be in your account.
Yes.
That's where they will see it.
Yes.
Okay.
So, there are two categories. Sometimes we do live for exclusive to the brands only. Or sometimes naman there's a mixed live. So, it really depends on the campaign. For example, ngayon magsa-summer na. So, what we can do is mixed live of different essentials pang summer, something like that. So we strategize. The whole team actually, we plan everything out before releasing the campaign.
Do you know of any other company that does this, or are you the first? Because
No,
it's the
there's
first.
so many. So many.
Okay, yung mga
Siguro kami
advertising
lang po yung
agencies.
artista.
Okay, so but are they usually sa mga advertising agencies?
No, this is called MCN agency.
MCN
agency.
Okay.
So it's different from the other ad agencies that you see out there in the should I say, market or in the industry. So MCN agency is really focused on live selling, live commerce talaga po.
It's
We
so
mount
interesting.
the live selling talaga, and we get celebrities, we connect them to the brands, and the brands, what can they benefit from us is that, of course, product exposure, product awareness. We help them build their brands. We help them grow their products.
It's evolving so quickly, and it's great that you've, stepped in and actually, you're doing a lot for this
No,
life
because
selling industry.
yun nga kanina I said earlier, based from the study that we did, 70% of the consumers really, they actually buy the product if there's real-time engagement and if there's product demonstration, which you can only see through live selling or live commerce. It's different from e-commerce wherein you just shop through the platform. You just click on the basket, add to cart, and you check out. That's it. But with live commerce, live selling siya, you experience the product by just watching.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Please, of course, myself, Diane Medina, Maxine Medina, Roger Cruz. We have Jan Marini, Gerard Pizarra, CJ Ramos, Nadine Samonte, Katia Santos, Kathleen Hermosa, influencers, Team Moshi, Ice Arago, and Rich Reginaldo. From Sparkle, we also have Jeremy, Levin, Hans Galendez, Claudine, Miro Max, yung influencer that ko na kilala. Miro, yung name niya.
And I'm sure marami pang nag-a-apply.
Yes, meron kaming upcoming din na lalabas by May, month of May.
Tapos last question, si Kiray kasi nasabi niya noon na parang kumita siya ng biggest niya is 5M a day sa live selling. Kaya ba ano yung masasabi ng pinakamalaki mo na live sell?
Sa amin, 25 million.
Oh,
GMV po.
in a day.
We're talking about GMV, gross merchandise value. If it's GMV, 25 million pesos.
Oh.
Are we talking about GMV? Because it's different from her own kita to
Yeah.
GMV. The GMV, yes, it's 25 million po.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Million. So, habulin si Den pero ba talaga si Den? Magaling talaga
Roger pala 15 million. Maxine, what's your highest?
4 million, 4.5.
4.5.
Ayaw patalbog kay Kiray, ibig sabihin nun, di ba? Yun.
No, Kiray is my
pagka-
good friend. Hindi ko alam
pagkatapos,
kung ano yung sinasabi niya kung GMV ba or own kita ni Kiray. So, baka own kita ni Kiray.
Pwedeng own kita ni Kiray din kasi dahil mismo nila live sell niya, product niya. So, yun.
ayan, pagkatapos ang editor ng